to do nothing. Trying to like analyze like 2 tick ranges right now for some reason.
The XYZ $90 calls for November, $100 calls for January, both up around 17 to 18% here, testing previous day high. They can get over and hold 78.4. Would love to see it to get this breakout on this daily and weekly chart, one of the most beautiful charts for a bullish setup if you're looking at a weekly right now.
I think it's coffee time, to be honest. Microsoft still looks pretty good today, actually. Of
Apple
everything.
too.
Apple, yes. I'm in Apple, and it's held the same bottom trend line if you go to like the last week and a half. Just draw a trend line. I go back
Yep.
to Wednesday the 24th. That bottom trend, it's still holding the same spot. I think it's going to all-time high.
I 100% agree with that. My timing's been a little off today, but I don't, market just, I appreciate the fact that a lot of the mega caps are kind of treating technically versus sentiment. It's half are red, half are green, just kind of playing what the chart gives us versus everything moving together. I always prefer that, but I haven't taken shit.
Uber looks like it's about to go back over 100. Solid daily. Excuse me, solid daily over there.
FedEx pushing up, new high of day. Trying to get this weekly breakout. Looking good.
See DraftKings?
I have not checked DKNG yet this morning. Where's it at? Back over 36. Let's go.
Yeah, held that 35 spot again.
NQ testing lower low. Don't chase it here. Entries are either green 10-minute candles or pullbacks to the 3-minute 20. Scale out lower low pivots.
Need to break a direction here.
Why does ES and NQ have like an inverse chart over the last hour?
Very annoying.
Like, well, it's like a perfect inverse of each other.
It's been like that. Oh, it's kind of been like that the past few days, in a way.
They've been like diverging, but not like flipping the divergence that fast. Like they flip divergence, but not like in the first 45 minutes or 30 minutes. I don't know. We should take out the IB low on everything. We should fill the gap, but it's not my favorite look. If I had to take a trade right now, I'd probably short ES about 10 to 15 points. Where's SPX? Yeah, 15 points. If I had to. I don't have to take a trade though. That's the beauty.
We bounced it at 125 and then too.
And I have the same thought right now. I just don't have to.
Yeah. Tesla looking good, Emma Jamma.
Yeah, it is.
I think Tesla could run back into those 450s. It's a pretty big spot right here. You almost have to assume it's going to run into whatever the event is tomorrow after, pulling back for 2 days.
Yep, I agree. I think if we could break high a day, we should hit 450 pretty much instantly. And then from there, mid 450s. That's why I let it breathe a little bit. I did go like 27% red on what I bought, but back green now. Let's see what happens. And then that Meta 710, that's what I'm watching too for possible swing.
Shorted ES. I think that's the clear trade.
Come on, NQ. Bring her on down.
Bring her on down. Let's go.
There we go. There's 40 points NQ. Give me the lower low for a trail stop loss. Then bill breaker at 100 is the next target.
Yep.
That was the same spot at 950 where I took the short on ES. They smacked it.
Gold is just working.
Lower low NQ.
Dang. I think Knots had the
50
echo going on
points.
there.
Yeah, I don't
What?
know what happened.
Wow, what happened? Oh, you heard Maple again?
Yeah. I think you're good now. All right, and there's CoreWeave from new high of day down to about equal lows. After those 138 puts came rolling in. We're getting down to the 650 area on APP,
Tesla new high day.
which is
Let's
interesting.
go.
Look at that wick on spot.
Yeah.
They bought that shit up, Quay. Oh, I really like APP right here.
I kind of like oxy calls here. It had that sell off last week and the little pop today. Obviously not like a long term swing or anything, but I think it could get back up to like a 50% retrace of that 49 down through that 43, possibly. But I think I'm really kind of scratching the bottom of the barrel with some of the stuff I'm looking at because I don't love anything right now, honestly.
I shorted a yes. 67.77 average.
Thank you.
All
Hit
right,
the
30-point gain
ID
in
limit
Q. I'm
again.
all out there. I'll look for a reposition, maybe on a green candle.
The IB low again.
Video looking a little rough.
Tesla just dropped.
For the listeners, right? Just a quick tip: if you're trading prop, there's nothing wrong with like scalping like a 10-minute green candle covering red. A lot of my trades have been 30 to 50 point net and then just flatten and move to the next account, right? So don't try to sit there and be the hero holding top to sell the bottom or vice versa. Take your money as it comes, move to the next account. Keep it simple.
There's that meta pullback.
697.
Oh no, 699 it hit.
Oh, okay. I was like, yes.
There's no speed here.
Speed over to my coffee.
Thank you and EOS are moving together again.
NQ pushing up. NQ going to IB midpoint 170.
Took the NQ short, 3-minute EMA risk area. There we go.
AMD back to
10-point gain,
213.
covered half.
My ES entry there, I had it. No.
I almost added. I was like holding like my finger over the trigger and still holding the 9. A lot of traffic here.
I'll take it at 79.5 if we get there. Doesn't look like it.
Major buyers territory down here under 142. A lot of lower wicks. Not a bad idea for the listeners to de-risk if you haven't already. I know it's a small gain, but so is the range small.
Guys, I'm gonna go. I'm
Where
not
you going?
trading anymore. My brother, I'll tell you later. But I do have like an emergency situation, so
Oh,
Good luck.
everything's okay.
Let's move to the food.
I'll see you guys later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Yo, take it easy.
By me.
I mean,
I was gonna make a joke, but it sounded like it could be serious, so
It's good discretion.
we'll leave it alone. Yeah.
Yes, just barcoding on a 5, on a 10. It looks like there's more development.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 2 coffee type of morning. I'll be right back.
I'm already on 2, baby.
Trying to bounce. Get those highs again.
What's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it for my mama. FedEx new high day. Hey, yeah. Do-do-do-do. Hey, yeah. You
Are you
think
in
you got
anything,
it?
Em?
Oh, you think you got it? I'm sure, yes. Freaking Casey just brought up Outcast from 2003, so. There's still a gap fill below us. The IB hasn't broken. That's my read. Even though I'd rather be long in Q where it bounced, but a little tricky this morning. A little tricky.
That's the good thing about the markets. You don't have to trade. You do, but you don't.
Can you imagine if you just like never took a trade ever?
Yeah, right. Eternal flat piano.
There's an ICT joke in here somewhere.
It's really funny.
Don't you want to meet your mama?
Still nothing.
If my algo was short in Q, I would have had more opportunities, but it's long, and I haven't had a long.
Really haven't done much of anything. My entry is currently acting as support on the chart for ES. It's never fun. Wow, gold almost hit 4,000. Oh my gosh, 3980s. Bitcoin coming down a little bit. Ethereum cooling off a little bit. United Airlines doing high day.
It's been an interesting day. Stock's looking pretty decent too, actually.
UNH got a nice bounce off the lows. I'm just going through the watch list
Also,
at this
Uber's
point.
looking pretty good as well. And wants to break
Uber
back above
looks,
100 right here.
yeah, it wants to go over 100. I saw that one a little bit earlier. Oh, it did. It wicked 100 right there. Uber.
99.99. There's 100.
Uber.
Arna's given up a lot of its gains.
Dude, LEU's up another 2% today. Pretty crazy. And I'm pretty much at a 2x on those. It might be time to, I don't know.
What,
I
LEI?
get
Or what was it?
LEU. I
LEU?
get bull spammed on it every day, you know, but like, it hasn't doing well.
I mean, The guy that pounded the table on that one also says dance while the music's playing, so depends if you're a full thesis guy or not. Come on, Pan W.
Ooh, my algo flipped out in Q. I got nothing right now, but
We've gone straight sideways for 25 minutes on ES.
yeah.
Literally.
How long do you think I'm gonna be able to stay in this long?
I don't know. I looked at that 110 area and said I should have probably longed, but I don't like the ES setup. Microsoft new high. Oh, Boeing.
Odds of me getting stopped at 090 are probably higher than us going to see new high day at this point.
Probably have odds to see both of those. Meta's looking a little perky.
The CS 10-minute is just funny.
Took JLBE $40 calls, January 2027 at 790. Looking to take FedEx and DraftKings here momentarily.
I was just gonna say DraftKings is new high day.
Order flow flipping. Nothing.
Maybe like a headline or something.
So I was looking at Prospero, and I was gonna make a post about AMD, but I'm switching up my post a little bit. AMD almost has 100 net option sentiment. There's one stock with a higher net option sentiment than AMD right now, at least a net option sentiment score. It's
In that case,
Coinbase.
Eli Lilly and Nova Nordisk are both on the short-term bull list.
Guys are gonna rip it this time. Come on, guys.
Short and Q 150 and a quarter.
IWM looks like it wants new high day now. Complete flippening. Like can't go lower, gonna go higher. Is that what we got here?
Or can't do anything.
I'm stopped on NQ.
NQ there. It's a gain 10, lose 10. So break even for me. It looks like the CBC did flip, but the 3-minute EMAs hadn't shown cross and retest yet. They're crossing right now. I would still be careful of that previous day high 168 on NQ, but that's going to be it for me today, guys. Pleasure making money with you all, and I'll see you tomorrow to do it all again.
Peace out, brother.
Later, Maple.
Bye.
PayPal new high of
Good morning, Maple.
day. Flow coming in on $77 calls for October 24th. A few unusual calls on these at $50 per contract. They just bought some more at 56 and 63.
We hit Abbey midpoint on NQ.
I might try it again.
170s is a big spot
Yeah.
here.
Trying to get at 165.5.
Just need them to flip it.
And they just ain't letting her stay down. All right.
Hopefully it's a slow day. Hopefully I just take this one trade and sit in it all day and just put on some Shania Twain or some shit. I don't know.
Hell yeah, dude.
Let's go with the top. What's your top Shania Twain song?
Top Shania Twain? Dude, it's gotta be You're Still the One. It has to be.
You're still the one. There's so many good ones.
I know.
Like that that don't impress
That's
me much.
That.
Not I Feel Like a Woman or Any Man of Mine. Come on.
Yeah,
She's
but
solid. She was my childhood crush. I think she still is.
oh, mine too, dude.
Men of taste.
Dude, those songs came out before you were born.
Mm-hmm.
I actually listened to them as a kid. That was like peak '90s music right there.
Yeah, your taste in music gets all screwed up when your mother works at Sony.
Valid. So you got the brains, but have you got the touch?
Taste is taste, dog. And I'm stopped doing Q again. Oh, I just worked right into it.
That don't impress me much. Like if you call Rizzo's cell phone right now, you hear Shania Twain as a ringtone.
All right, I'm signing out, guys. I will see you soon.
Okay.
Catch
I don't
you
blame you.
later.
Walk away, come
There's
back
just
on this.
nothing going on in these charts right now. Nothing
Oh.
exciting for me. So, all right, we'll talk soon.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
All right,
Ciao, ciao.
see you after a while. Tesla is at high of day. IWM made a new high of day. Microsoft is at high of day. Boeing new high of day.
What is holding us back this hard on Qs? Nvidia? It's not even like down that much. Costco? Costco's down 1%.
Well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of your top 10 NASDAQ stocks red. While everything else is, on a gap up, it's usually not a super strong sign. Google's break even. So's Broadcom.
We're gonna get more freaking WAP vendor memes with my face on the freaking internet now.
Forever.